And this video I want to dedicate to one big idea about Google Ads. So if you're running Google Ads campaign, the one that used to be called Google AdWords, this video is going to be very, very important to you because the insight that I'm going to share with you today will help you to get better click-through rate. So more people will be visiting your website, and will also consequently, you will be paying less for those clicks. So it's important for you to understand and watch, even if somebody is helping you, like an agency, helping you running your account. For you as a business owner, it's also important to understand how it works. So what most advertisers don't realize when it comes to Google Ads, you have multiple conversions that's supposed to happen before you will actually acquire your client. And by multiple conversion, I mean that when somebody is searching online for the certain phrases, certain keywords to find your services or your products, you firstly have to convert them at the stage of when they have to click on your ad, right? Because when they're searching for something, they see multiple ads. One of them will be yours. And this is where your first conversion is supposed to happen. So you want your potential clients to click on your specific ad. Now, many business owners and even agencies, when they write these ads, they don't really realize that part that much. So most of the time, what I see when I'm searching online, people use the same phrases, like family business. They put the name of the service they provide or the name of the products that they provide. But there is nothing there to evoke the curiosity from the person who you want to click on your ad, right? Because you have to realize it's a competition. When you show your ad and there are 2 or 3 other ads that person can see, you are in competition. You're in competition to get this client, to get this prospect to click on your ad. So your ad should be written a little bit different, should evoke some sort of a curiosity. So phrases like, learn more on our website, or do you want to find out our prices? Check our website right now. So you really want something in that ad that will, like I said, evoke some sort of curiosity from the person who is looking for your products, or like searching for your products or searching for your services. Does it make sense? Because once you get them on your website, that's another part of converting them into the inquiry or a sale. But first you have to convert them to come to your website. So that's why when you write these ads, instead of just stating what you do and that you're in a family business and that you provide free quotes, something that everybody else is writing, you have to do something different, or something like more creative. 3 things you should know about, and then you insert your service name or the product name. Something that will evoke curiosity. You understand what I'm trying to say, right? Now, if you will write your ads this way, what it will do one big thing for your Google Ads account. It will increase your click-through rate. So click-through rate is how many people from seeing your ad, how many people actually clicking on the ad. So click-through rate is very, very important for your campaign, not just to get more clients to the website, but also Google as a system. They check your click-through rate. And if your click-through rate percentage is high, it means that your quality score for the keyword that person used to come to a website will also become high. And higher quality score within your account means that you will later on pay less for your clicks. So high quality score is affected by the click rate, and the higher your click-through rate, the higher your quality score, the less you pay for those clicks. So it makes absolutely total sense to write your ads to get high click-through rate, because it will then lead up for you paying less for those clicks. Does it make sense? I hope it does. So the good exercise for you to do, if you want to see what's happening within your industry, within your vertical, and competition for your specific keywords, just test it out yourself. Put the keywords that you're targeting in Google search and see what kind of ads coming up next to yours. And just pretend that you're a customer and just see for yourself, which ad would you click? Which ad is written more interesting, like evokes more curiosity from you to click on. And this is the good starting point for you to rewrite the ads to get a higher click-through rate. Now, also, if you're running a business, consider to subscribe to our channel, because we post a lot of content about how you can generate better quality leads, more customers for your business, and so on. Thank you for watching. Like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.